Welcome to Core of Space. Today our journey is start. Did you know that humanity has already left the solar system, not just in theory, but for real? In 1977, two small spacecraft launched on a mission to explore our outer planets. But no one imagined they would become our first interstellar travelers. This is the story of Voyager, the tiny machine that's now floating beyond the edge of our solar system. And it's still sending signals back home. Milky Way, welcome to Core of Space, where we turn science into wonder. Globe showing Europe, Africa. What is Voyager? Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched just weeks apart in 1977. Their goal? To study Jupiter and Saturn, and maybe Uranus and Neptune. They weren't meant to last this long. Each one carries a small nuclear battery and a 1970s computer system less powerful than your smartwatch. But their real legacy came after the planetary flybys. In 2012, Voyager 1 did the impossible. It crossed into interstellar space. That means it left the heliosphere, the bubble of charged particles from our sun, and entered the vast, cold void between stars. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. These aren't just spacecraft, they're time capsules. Satellite antenna. What is interstellar space? So, what exactly is interstellar space? It's not completely empty, but almost. It's filled with thin gas, dust, magnetic fields, and mystery. The boundary they crossed is called the heliopause, the outer limit of the sun's influence. Beyond that point, solar wind stops dominating, and the interstellar medium takes over. Voyager 1 is now over 24 billion kilometers from Earth. Its radio signals take more than 22 hours to reach us, traveling at the speed of light. Think about that. We're still whispering to a robot we launched nearly 50 years ago, across an unimaginable distance. The golden record. But the Voyager mission wasn't just about science, it was about legacy. Each spacecraft carries a golden record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc with sounds and images from Earth. Greetings in 55 languages. Whale songs. Music by Beethoven and Chuck Berry. Images of people, cities, animals, even DNA. Why? Because Voyager might someday be found by an alien civilization, or maybe by humans thousands of years from now. It's a message in a bottle, drifting through the stars. Hammer and wrench. How it's still working. Now you're probably wondering, how is Voyager still working? Well, barely. Its instruments are shutting down one by one to save power. NASA's engineers carefully manage its tiny nuclear battery, keeping just enough energy to send a faint signal. They even turned off its heaters, so the spacecraft is now operating in temperatures colder than deep space. Despite all odds, it still talks to Earth, using a 70-meter antenna in California to pick up its whispers. That's less data per second than a 1990s dial-up modem. And yet, it works. What has it discovered? Voyager gave us the first close-up images of Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, Uranus' icy surface, and Neptune's blue mystery. It discovered volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io. It showed us that Neptune has storms just like Jupiter. And now, in interstellar space, it's measuring cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and particles that have never touched Earth before. It's giving us a first-hand look at what lies beyond our solar bubble. No other spacecraft has gone this far. Not even close. The future of Voyager. But Voyager can't go on forever. NASA expects both Voyagers to lose power completely by 2030. After that, they'll drift silently through the galaxy, dead, but immortal. In 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass near another star, AC plus 793888. In a million years, who knows where it'll be? They'll outlive the pyramids. They might even outlive humanity. Voyager is our message to the cosmos. We were here, and we wanted to know. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there's a tiny probe out there, racing into the void, carrying a message from Earth, a relic of human curiosity, a silent ambassador to the stars. That's Voyager. Backhand index pointing right. If this blew your mind, don't forget to subscribe to Core of Space, hit the bell icon, and drop a rocket in the comments if you're proud of humanity's journey. Until next time, keep looking up.